that is not on the meal plan. Please keep it clean. Keep it clean, people. Keep it clean. Oh, let me just take this damn thing off. I can warm up with it. Okay, keep it clean. It's Wednesday, so don't eat anything bad today. Oh, we're almost through the third week. So close, so close, so close. After 30 days, you'll see you'll be able to know so much more about food, that you will be able to introduce more food into your diet. For example, you'll find that I don't have pasta on the meal plan. The reason I don't have pasta on the meal plan is because I love pasta. Like, that is my kryptonite. Is that a word, Jacqueline? I think so, right? And so if you compare a half a cup of brown rice to a half a cup of pasta, the half a cup of pasta will look much smaller than the half a cup of brown rice. And so because I want to eat all day long, the reason the meal plan is what it is to allow you to eat more food should you want to eat more food. I never had a problem with working out. I mean, I didn't work out right. I always did too much cardio, but like, I didn't have a problem being active. I had a problem of food. And the biggest problem with losing weight or getting fit is food. It's actually 80% diet and 20% exercise. You don't have to exercise to lose weight. The only reason we exercise is because you probably want to eat way more than how much you would eat if you did not exercise, right? I'm a foodie, I'm a binge eater, and so I had to figure out a way how to get more food into my body and be happy. So I hold out to eat the pasta for a cheat day because I'm sorry, one portion of pasta for me is not filling and not satisfying at all, by all means. So I would rather eat brown rice and not eat pasta because I can have more. I need to see more food on my plate. Does that make sense? But if you want to play around and try pasta, especially for those of you who are just starting out and you can have more food, then you can definitely have pasta, okay? Because you have a lot more calories that you're able to eat than once you start to get smaller. Like, I now only eat 1,400 calories. So if you are able to eat 1,900 calories because you have more to lose because you just started, then you, by all means, you can have some pasta, okay? So I just wanted to throw that out there. You don't have to just stick to the meal plan if you have more carbs in your macros, right? Your macros are different than my macros, so just keep that in mind. Not to just stick to the meal plan if you have more things to eat, but just make sure those other things you add into your diet are equivalent with the numbers to the list, right? So you want to make sure it's whole wheat pasta or rice pasta. And I really need to stop talking because I'm short on time today, okay? So if you have any questions, just always post in the group and let's get started.